show you three-way network came to your building. It can be through a phone line, like the one you see here. This is modem. It came through network came through the phone line. As you can see, the type of the cable you have here, and I don't see this a lot anymore, but this is the way it used to be. It may be a part of the world they're still using the phone line, and that's what 15 years ago they used to be. That's how it used to come to your building. So this where you're supposed to connect the phone here, the phone line, you go here, and then the internet service it comes through this cable. So when you're talking, if you are online using the internet, you not be able to use the phone. And if you're using the phone, you not be able to use the internet. That's the way it used to be. So the phone line used to come separate, and then the internet used to come separate. But as you can see here, the type of the cable you need to this modem is this one. So you cannot use a different cable. As you can see here, this is where the RJ45 go. This one go to your computer. That's the way it's supposed to be. A long time ago, that's how it used to be, how you get internet service through this modem. But it's not longer being used right now. So I'm going to show you another issue you can run into. So when the internet service run the cable to your building, it can be through this RJ45, which is an Ethernet cable or network cable. So this port, the one you see, the blue one, that's the one it get you outside of your building. So this one it go to a company line, and that's how you're supposed to connect. But let's say, so another time also, it can be coming through the one you see here. This is like a TB cable. This is a coaxial cable where you're supposed to connect. You don't have to stuck on one company.